We're doing a iPhone XR screen replacement and battery replacement. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, thumbs up or comment. Here we go. All right, so as you can see, this is being heated up already on my mat, and I'm gonna remove the bottom here with the pentalobe screwdriver. So we heat it up to loosen the adhesive on the screen. You can use your mom's hair dryer or whatever. If you don't have that, if you're doing this from home or you're not a professional. Gotta get these guys out. So we're gonna get some razor blades and the whole bit. The back is cracked on this guy, but we're not doing that today. Shouldn't want to, which is fine. It's not completely necessary. It's definitely more aesthetic than anything. And that comes off pretty easily. Now I told her I was gonna give it a bit of a visual inspection, make sure there's no water damage. I think we're sitting pretty. All right, let's just carry on with the repair then. So we're using a tri-wing screwdriver here. And again, we're putting the screws in the order that they should be on the mat. Pop that battery connector off. And then we're gonna pop this connector off. And boop, and boop. All right. There we go. And that guy's off. I'll pop that off. Screen separated. Put the body over here for the time being. That there. There. Here. Take that bad boy off. All right, guys, now oh no, this came off pretty easily. So I was gonna have to heat it up, but that came off nice and easy. Easy peasy. All right, so let's try and get this battery off. Now it's pretty hot still, so maybe I can just peel it off. Seems unlikely. All right, so we're not gonna be using this battery at all, so I like to get a little bit of lift here, makes the job a little bit easier. This is being a real pain. This is not how you're supposed to do this. Usually you just want to get one of these guys around. You want to get one of these out, and then you pull on it. All right, there we go. That's off. Clean this up a little bit. This is the new battery. When I pulled off the protective, the plastic layer that was supposed to protect the adhesive, it came off. So I've got to use some tape on this guy. Not what I like to do, but such is life. Clip some of that. A little bit here. Yeah. As the Australians would say. Yeah. Yeah. A little bit here. Alright, that should do her. Nothing's easy today. Nothing's easy when you're making videos, you know? You're making tutorials. Everything's a little bit harder. So, hence why it's nice that you guys subscribe to the video. Or to the channel, so that way we can continue to make these videos. A little incentive for us to do so, or for me to do so. Us, it's just me here in my shop. All right, we're gonna connect this guy here, like so, just to test her out. All right, push her into place. Great. All right, now we're gonna do the new screen. So battery's done. Let's tidy up a bit because it's looking a bit of a mess over this way. Anyways, you guys don't mind, do you? It's a bit of a mess. All right, here's the new screen. Pop that on like so. Want to make sure these all fall into place. And they are in place. They don't fall into place. You got to put them in place. Where'd that go?
Hey, buddy.
Just had to pause it. I had a customer in. All right, so we were doing this little guy up top here. All right, excellent. All right, so let's slam these guys back together here. All right, let's give her a quick test. Might need to do this. Sometimes this is a very common issue when you have new items that you've put in the phone. You need to plug it in. So let me do that real quick. I'll be right back. All right, so that phone is booting, not booting up, but it is connecting and showing that there is power going to it. All right, so let's go ahead and put this back on here. Like so. And like so. There we go. There we go. Push this, get this bad boy into place here. All right. That's in. All right, let's close her up. Put these pentalopes back in place. All right, guys, we're done. So that is how you do a screen replacement and a battery replacement on an iPhone XR. Please, again, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.